Je t'aime jusqu'à la mort. Oh, oh, oh. Zongelanga, zongelanga, mon bébé.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful today, and today we will be talking about skincare products as well as SPF. So if you're interested in my opinion on these new products, please do stay tuned. Again, if you want to see any product demoed on me, if applicable, links are always on my blog, so always refer to my blog for more information. And if you want to shop, the links are also always down in the description box. And just always be intentional and smart when you're shopping, and please do use my reviews as a reference, but do make your own decision. And that's about it, guys. And for those of you guys who don't know, I do speak French, donc voilà, salut les amis, salut la famille, j'espère que tout va bien. Et voilà, aujourd'hui on va parler de quelques produits que j'ai utilisés, soins du corps, soins du visage. Donc si vous êtes intéressés, on ne tarde plus, allez, on y va. Yeah. So we're gonna start with the first product, right? And the first product will be lip scrubs. I already talked about this one by JOAH Beauty. It's the Sugar Doctor lip scrub, and this is in the I don't know what flavor this is, I forgot, but this is my favorite drugstore scrubs. You guys know I have done at least 3 or so videos on lip scrubs, and this one I think is the best from the drugstore in terms of granules. Exfoliation is the perfect consistency. It's not too harsh, it's not too creamy, it's just perfect. And I use this and I will be buying more. So guys, I'm just reminding you guys, this is a winner, and with the sales and the discounts and coupons, it's a banger. And of course, you guys know I review products and I also watch other creators, and I've gotten this Cocalicious Luscious lip scrub in Matcha Latte, and this is the brand right here from Amazon, Handmade Heroes. It's supposed to be all natural and all that, cruelty free, all natural product. And guys, this is like these two are just my face, and I love the packaging as well. I've been using this here, and it's so like I have no complaints. The perfect consistency. It's not drying, it's not too creamy, it's just perfect. And the scent is not really strong, it's like almost non-existent. This formula is just perfect. It's actually a little bit better than this, if you may ask me, because this one seems more processed, of course, more artificial, of course, but this one seems more natural, so it'll be healthier for your lips. So guys, this right here, baby from Amazon, and get onto it. It's amazing. If you wear lipsticks like me and you wear like most days of the week and you wear matte lipsticks, this will be your friend. I love this. I think this is my #1 lip scrub for now. Okay, and this is runner up #2. So there you go. Next thing I want to talk about is Influenster. I have so many Influenster boxes, I can't even keep up. And this one is the I think it's male skincare. Okay, so they sent me this box. They came out with a new cream. It's the Plump It Up Nourishing Cream, and I guess it's for melanin rich skin, which I love, because you guys know we love no cast, and I think that's what they stand for, making products for melanin rich skin, deep skin, dark skin, brown skin, and without the products having flashback. So that's really nice. They did send me samples, but they did send me 2 of the samples, and I just started using it this week, and for me, I actually really like it. It's, guys, this is not, it gives you an intense glow. So if you're oily, you may not like that, but it's not like oily glow, but it's like a healthy glow. It does have a scent to it, but it's nothing crazy where I feel uncomfortable. I actually think it's okay. I mean, do you need that scent? No, it's not like I like it, but I don't mind it. It's not irritating, so I'm fine with it. So I've been using this whole week, guys. I just love how rich and dewy and healthy. It makes my skin look very, very glowy, very moisturizing. It's like it's a serum based formula, so it absorbs so fast into the skin. It's actually very, very impressive. I wasn't thinking like anything of it. I've seen other content creators like talk about it, and I wasn't like wowed, but sometimes it's just good to get products for free so you can try it, because you'll be amazed. Okay, and this right here can even last me like 2-3 months, if depending on how much I use it. So this is actually for me considered a deluxe size. So deluxe sizes are pretty good, especially if you want to try a lot of different products. So that is the consistency right there. Very lightweight. It looks a little bit like beige creamish, you know, type of color, and the consistency is just, like I said, it's amazing. Look at that, look at that glow. You see that glow? That's what I mean, guys. It's just amazing. Like the glow, the experience, the consistency, the formula. It's actually a really good product, and so far it didn't break me out. So this is a winner. So if you can support them, if you need something to try, this is amazing. You will not regret it. So next I'm going to go into sunscreen, and we're almost done. So guys, I've been looking for like the perfect spray, because when I wear makeup I realize I can't put like, I can't reapply SPF, like any cream based product. And you guys, if you didn't see my prior SPF video at the beginning of this summer, I will link it down below, or search it. But this one is good, but it was burning my eyes. So my eyes is really, really sensitive to an SPF based product. But I was like, you know, I'm stubborn. I really want one like that, because in this type of medium, because I wear makeup. And I went and tried this, and so far this is so good, and it's SPF 45, and it's by Sunbalm, and it doesn't irritate my eyes. Granted, I will be covering my eyes, but for the first try I didn't, and so far so good. So guys, if you can find this, because it's always out of stock, very hard to find, I'd say get on it. It's so good. I think it's about 15 bucks, and I got mine at Target. So Target. So yeah guys, it's so good. Love it, love it, love it. It's a good replacement for this one. And for my cream based one, or my serum based one, or my silicone based one, whatever, mineral based, whatever it may be, chemical sunscreen, whatever, I prefer to use that on my bare skin. But the sprays, I love these for refreshing, but of course this one was burning my eyes, so I had to find something else. So this I'm still using, but like I use it around like my neck and my body until it's gonna be finished, and then this is on my face when I have makeup on. Next product is the COOLA bronzer. It's actually a product from Sephora. It's the classic body sunscreen, and it's a tropical coconut one, and it's ultra lightweight. It hydrates, nourishes, and it's 70+% organic, and it has SPF 30, water resistant at 80 minutes. And yeah, so this is the packaging, so cute. Found it at Matcha for $9.99. I mean guys, it's really good for the body. Obviously it absorbs fast, I like that, and there's no cast on my skin, and it's hydrating. It's like quenching your skin at the same time. So for $10, I think it's normally like 30-40 bucks at Sephora. I just you know, I mean, I know that they're getting rid of this, probably this scent, to get new ones in, but I think originally they're like 30-40 bucks. So for this to be $10, I was like, sign me up. I can use sunscreen and reapply, because it can get very expensive because you have to reapply it. So I was like, why not try a, you know, high-end brand for cheap? So if you see this in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, get on it, you will like it. Last but not least, with sunscreen, y'all know I had to try the Black Girl sunscreen, because I like to support content creators and black owned businesses if they're doing their part, right? And this one is SPF 40. Why I really like this one is because it's for the face and the body. I hated having to have like different ones for the face and the body on my busy days. I just want something that works, and this one is really good, guys. It's nice and rich and thick, because of course it's infused with jojoba and avocado, and it's water resistant up to 80 minutes. And really guys, is, even though it's thick and creamy, because I don't want to waste it, y'all, okay, it's hydrating, moisturizing, and it doesn't leave a white cast. It don't matter how much you use it, and it doesn't burn my eyes. So got it at Target for $15, but they always have sales and deals. So guys, you will love this. You will thank me later. Okay, there you go. So try it out. All right, you guys, I forgot to mention this Olay mineral sunscreen that was very popular with zinc oxide, and I actually got this on sale at Target for like 50% off. So, and then plus the 5% back. Very good on dark skin, no matter how much you put, no cast. Amazing, and it didn't irritate my eyes so far. And I know this is gonna be crazy, but I'm gonna go into hygiene real quick. Y'all gonna be like, what is going on? Let me start with the toothbrush first, and then we'll finish with the really intimate thing, but it's a must-see. Okay, stay tuned. I got me the Oral-B toothbrush series. I got me the 6,000 to 9,000 series, guys. This was on sale for like 99 bucks at Target, and you get 5% back. So I was like, you know what, I really want to invest in my teeth. I actually want to get it whitened, so I'm trying to figure that out. And I was like, guys, I really want to get into like taking care of my teeth and my tongue. And guys, typically you're supposed to brush your teeth for 2 minutes, 30 seconds on each quadrant. So that's why I got this, and I really like it because it has different options. It does charge, so it does have a charging station, but it doesn't come with like a couple of extra heads. But you know, you can buy that. It can get expensive, but you can buy it as see fits. I really like it because there's like as you can see, this right here, you can change the light and it turns red if you're putting too much pressure on your tooth. So I really like that. And there's also an app for it, you know, that can help you like count how long you're brushing each quadrant, but you don't really need that. You have different options here for whitening and cleaning your tongue and all of that stuff. So I really like that. And then this is the battery indicator. Nothing that you need, but if you have the money to splurge and you want like to really deep clean, because they say spin brushes are better than regular toothbrushes, so it cleans much faster, it's much more efficient. So I said, if that's the case, why not? Because I read up on it, and that's what all the articles that I read said, and so therefore I invested in one. So there you go. Definitely try out a spin brush at whatever cost that may be convenient for you, but it'll be a good investment. So yeah, so I really like this, and the battery charge is very long. Last but not least, I want to talk about your little friend down there, guys. Y'all, this is by Venus, and it's the Daily Soothing Serum and the Hair and Skin Softening Oil. I'm someone who still shaves. You guys know I talked about the Billy Razor. I'm really liking that. I also have one that I like from the drugstore from CVS, but I've been using the Billy one. But what I do find about shaving is that because I can't wax because I'm too scared. What I found out about the razors is that 3 days later the bump starts getting uncomfortable. You can get pimples, and I really don't like that, guys. And mine grows pretty fast, TMI. But this has really helped soothe it, right? And even for your boo, I think he wants it to be I think your boo would want it to be kind of like not rough, if anything, okay, if you choose not to wax. So I feel like it's an extra step, but it does help. I go in with the serum and I seal with the oil all around the area, and I think that it's a good combo. I think I saw this from Andrea Renee, and I was like, that's interesting, because Target was doing a promotion on like get $5 or $10 back on Venus products, the new products. So I was like, this must be a coincidence. So I was like, all right, add it to my cart, get a gift card, and you're good. So this was a really good investment. I like it so far, and I recommend it if you want that area to be nice and smooth and suavemente. So yeah, guys. I also mentioned the Billy Razor that I liked, and then I have a very affordable one from CVS as a backup, and I found the Flamingo one at Target on sale as well, and I also like this. And yeah, and it came in a pack. I'll link it down below with extra heads. So yep, So yes guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, like, comment, share and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up please. Otherwise I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to praise God. Ciao guys, bye bye. Au revoir les amis, merci pour votre soutien. J'espère que vous avez aimé la vidéo, et si vous avez aimé, s'il vous plaît, n'oubliez pas de liker, commenter, partager, et tous les liens pour achat sont sous la barre d'infos, et aussi sur mon blog. Donc restez à l'écoute pour la prochaine vidéo, et on se voit à la prochaine. Ciao, bye bye, que Dieu vous bénisse.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.